Bud Light presents Stay-at-Home Humans of Genius.
Stay-at-home humans of genius.
Today, we salute you, creative recipe sharer.
Creative recipe sharer.
Armed with a pantry full of non-perishables and off-brand cereals. Your inspiration knows no expiration.
Best by 2032.
Forget teaspoons or tablespoons. Your measurements include a smidge, a pinch, and the whole bag.
Plus a whole lot of love.
No sandwich press, no problem. You've got an iron and no reason to wear pleated pants anytime soon.
You're an iron chef.
So crack open an ice-cold Bud Light, you pantry Picasso, because you make staying home a little more fun for everyone.
Creative recipe sharer.
Enjoy responsibly. 2020 Anheuser-Busch Bud Light Beer, St. Louis, Missouri.